doing?
Good afternoon, everybody, from the Cruiser Chris World Network. I am Cruiser Chris, and I'm going on a slow cruise this afternoon along the Sand Creek Trail in Anoka County, Minnesota. Here we are, just listening to the stream and standing at the same time. So those of you who say, well, he never really stands for anything, well, that's now can be proven false because of the fact that I'm standing and riding on the trail at the same time. I'm glad that all of you are able to come along with us on the trail today. So look up these trails here in Anoka County. It's part of the Sand Creek Trail System, part of Anoka County Parks in Anoka County, Minnesota, and check out what these trails have to offer. Today is my 581st stand, and I first started standing back in April of 2023, and I've done 581 stands since that point.
Come this way.
This is the Corpus F5VS power wheelchair. The VS stands for vertical. This allows me to travel in the standing position when I am on the trail walking. Now, for those of you that are also wondering, why does this chair move so slow when he's standing?
It's going really fast now.
Well, that's a safety feature. The safety feature is there to make sure that I am protected. Is it still rolling?
Yep.
Okay. The safety feature is there to make sure that I am protected as we go down the trail here.
My storage is going low though.
To make sure that I don't tip over. Well, this has been a very fun adventure from the Cruiser Chris World Network. Join us next time on our next one. Thank you for watching.